Hi friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. In this video, I will show you how to integrate ChatGPT with UiPath using OpenAI Connector. I will show you step by step how to implement this. So let me show you. So this is ChatGPT and we are going to use ChatGPT 3.5. So in this, if you want to type your query here and you want that response from ChatGPT, so let's say I'm going to write who was the first president of India, and then you will get response from ChatGPT, this GPT model. Same thing if you want to do in your UiPath Studio workflow, then this is possible. I'm going to show you how to integrate ChatGPT in UiPath workflow using OpenAI Connector. Okay, so let me open UiPath Studio. Here you can see I have created a process here, ChatGPT with UiPath, and then first I'm going to show you how to create a connector. We'll open this UiPath orchestrator, click on this integration services, and then go to that folder where you want to create that. So I have just selected this one. Now you need to search here OpenAI connector. So we have two connectors here, one Microsoft Azure OpenAI, second we have OpenAI. So I'm going to use this OpenAI connector, a connector for the OpenAI API that allows users to make requests and get completions using large language model. So I need to click on that, then click on add connection. Now we are going to connect to OpenAI using UiPath. So here we need to enter API key. Now I'm going to show you how to get API key. So for that, we'll go to this platform.openai.com. If you don't have an account, you can create an account here and then you can just log into that one. If you don't know, you can go through my previous video. Okay, now click on this personal here and then you can see view API keys. I already have created one API key here and I have noted down here. Now if you want to create new, you need to click on create new secret key. You need to put here the API key name, this is optional, and then you can click on create secret key, and then this is the API key that you need to copy and you need to enter here. Let me click done. So I already have this one, I'm going to use this. Let me delete this one. Okay, I'm going to use this one. So I have noted down this one. I will just copy this secret key, this API key, and then go to this authentication page and I will paste this API key here and click on connect. Now you can see here it shows that it is successful. Now you can see here this is the connector name, OpenAI connector, and then created by this email ID, default yes, connection status success. So successfully we have created a connection with the OpenAI and UiPath. If we'll click on this activity, the second one, we are getting two activities here. You can see generate chat completion and generate text completion. Open UiPath Studio, click on manage packages, and first we have to install a package to interact with the ChatGPT. We'll click on all packages. We'll search for OpenAI. This is the OpenAI by UiPath. You need to install that. You can see this version requires the automation cloud integration services and Studio version 22.10 or higher. Now click on save. Now we have just installed that one. You can search for here OpenAI and you will see two activities we have to interact with the ChatGPT model. Now what we'll do, we'll take this generate chat completion. Let me click on properties. Let's wait for some time. It has loaded all this properties. Now we need to configure this. Go to right side. Here we have model name GPT-4. So I am using free version. So I will use this GPT 3.5 Turbo. This is accessible for all currently. If you have a paid version, then you can use GPT-4 also. And now what you have to do, you have to go to the last here, the stop generated text, create a variable, Control K, str top generated output. This is a response that we'll be getting from ChatGPT. Okay, here we need to enter a prompt. This is a by default coming here. We need to enter that. So instead of hard coding that, we can take it from user. For that, we'll take here one input dialog box. We will write here enter prompt, and now we'll enter the label, like please enter your query here, like this. This will be text box where we'll enter our query here. Now value entered, so just create a variable here, str prompt. So whatever user will enter prompt the query in this input box, that will be passed here. Now this variable we will enter in this prompt. So this will be str underscore prompt. Okay, and this is OpenAI connector. Inside this learning folder, I established a connection with the help of OpenAI connector. Now let me take here one message box just to show you the response we receive from GPT model. Now let me write here that str underscore top generated output, that is a response. So this will be the prompt that will enter here, and then here we'll get the response. Okay, now let me run that. Okay, you can see this is the prompt. Here we need to enter who was the first president of India. Okay, and then we'll click on OK, and this prompt will be passed to GPT model 3.5 using API, and then from there we'll be getting the response, right? Click OK. I hope this is useful. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet, and please share this with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn Blue Prism, please visit my YouTube channel youtube.com/blueprismrpa. And also, if you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy and you want to get certificate, you can search for my Blue Prism course there, that is Blue Prism RPA complete course. I will also put the link in my video description. You can go through there. Thank you.